Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your SafePal wallet address. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the SafePal application and then log in using your biometrics or your credentials. Once you log in, you will be able to see the home screen where you can buy various cryptos. Simply tap on either one of the crypto, and then once you are taken to the crypto screen, you will be able to find your wallet address at the top right corner. You can simply tap on your wallet address and this will be copied into your clipboard. Then you can simply paste your wallet address and send it to anyone that would like to send you any cryptocurrency, NFT or DeFi. In order to send cryptocurrencies, you can simply tap on the QR code icon at the top right corner and then scan a QR code for the cryptocurrency that you wish to receive. You can also tap on the receive button and this will show you the QR code that others can scan in order to send you any crypto. Simply tap on the share button and you will be able to share your QR code with your friends or anyone that wants to send you some cryptocurrency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on SafePal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.